This video, I am going to show you how to check and monitor CPU temperature on Windows 10 or 11. 1. Go to the Core Temp website and download the Core Temp application. Click on the setup file after it's downloaded. Install the applications to begin the installation process. Once installed, ensure that the option to create a desktop shortcut is checked. Next, double-click on the Core Temp desktop shortcut to open the application. Once it is open, you'll see a window displaying CPU temperature informations. The temperature is typically displayed in Celsius. Monitor the temperature readings to ensure that they are within the normal range of CPU model. If your CPU temperature is consistently high, consider taking steps to improve cooling and optimize system performance. Refer to optimization techniques and cleaning methods to enhance system efficiency and reduce heat buildup. And ensure proper ventilation and consider investing in additional cooling solutions if necessary. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.